Today we're showing you a 2016 John Deere 5075E tractor, a 73 horsepower tractor with just under 400 hours on it. The engine does not require DEF fluid. It does regen, it has a DEF filter, but again does not require DEF fluid. It's a very nice tractor, obviously very low hours with just under 400 hours on it. Paint's in nice shape on the tractor. The tires up front do show a little wear. Looks like they've been on pavement a little bit. Probably have 30 to 40% tread life remaining. The backs are in good shape, probably closer to 70% tread life remaining. And again, paint's good on the tractor. It does have a loader joystick. If you want to add a loader to this tractor, that can certainly be done. We do have loaders in stock from time to time, so contact us about current availability. As the rollover bar and the canopy top, rear work light, we're remote back here. As the stabilizer chains on it on each side, 540 and 540E PTO, rail bore, top link, everything's there. It's a very nice clean tractor. It does have the 12 to 12 power reverser, which allows direction change without clutching. It's done with this lever right here. 3 ranges here to the left, and then 4 gears to the right gives you a 12-speed transmission, 3-point hydraulic and PTO controls all to the right, and then your 4-wheel drive and 540E selector here to the left. It's a very nice clean tractor. We do take trades. We also offer low rate financing for qualified customers. Also can offer arrange shipping anywhere here within the US. If you have any questions regarding this tractor, please contact us on the web or give us a call.